Thank you very much for this wonderful opportunity that has been extended to me. So I'd like to share my experience to the people out there, especially those that travel, that look the sick and trying to figure out where they could go for their treatment. When I share my experience with you, be able to make a decision with regards to which hospital you choose. I've had in the preamble, I've had the experience to travel around, and I've been in a couple of hospitals, but I found KIMS to be quite exceptional. And my experience at KIMS is quite indelible for me. And one thing I would tell you is that first, for a patient, you want to be sure the people that are working on you, or rather operating on you. And that my experience was when I came here, they did further investigations that took us a month because I was carrying two cancers. That's the salivary gland carcinoma and multiple myeloma as well. And you know how crazy the blood cancers can be. So they had to find out if the myeloma cells were active or they were underchecked. Unfortunately, they were checked. And then we had to go ahead and look at salivary gland carcinoma, which was a mass on my left maxillary area, where they did we had surgery, and post surgery we discovered that it was a low grade and there was no mets, so that required no further treatment. And I would attest to the doctors that actually looked at me, quite a great team, and they knew what they were doing and very confident with great aura with them. And going back to one of the great, all the members of staff and doctors are great people. The members of staff will definitely respect you and consider you wherever they find you, and make you feel comfortable, make you feel at home. I talk about Dr. Prata is one of the great doctors I have ever encountered in my whole life, because he's not just there for business or anything, but he's one person who is very focused and give you the care that you actually need. He will talk to you and respect your view, whatever you say, and also try and advise you the best way he could. And in him, I actually found a mentor and an inspiration. Away from him, we had a couple of doctors that did their best, and I could see it. And the gentleman called Shams, very energetic, with a lot of energy and helping out around whatever you would need. You'll be at your service, and that has left a mark on my life. And when we move away again to treatment, they will not allow you to go to your country if they know that you're not doing too well. They'll make sure they do the best they can to ensure that you are fit. I remember I was supposed to leave. I was supposed to leave on the I think that was on the 15th, because my visa is going to expire on the 17th. But they ensured that I was kept until I'm fit to leave. So looking at everything that they've done, it's a clear indication that they've done the best that they could. And right now, as you can see me, I'm very happy. So I'm traveling back home to see family. Everything is good and I feel good. But all that I owe it to the hospital and to the ministry as well, for extending this hand to allow me to come through and have my treatment. And above all, we always look up to God, because God does a lot for us. Thank you very much for this opportunity, and I invite more people. If you're wondering where you're going to be, KIMS is it's the best place for you. Not because of anything, but because of the treatment and also the care they have. Thank you very much.